thank you for coming back this week. This week we're talking about, is laser vision correction painful? Well, I know a lot of patients are very fearful. We're dealing with an organ that's responsible for 80% of our sensory input. God, or whatever being you wish to think, evolution, has invested a lot of effort in developing the very unique organ called the eyeball. Lots of structures involved to help you see well. We also have a number of mechanisms to protect our eyesight at all costs. First is anatomy. The eye is surrounded by a bony ridge. So if something's coming and going to hit our face, it's typically going to damage the rim and not the eye itself. We have a very fast blink, and that's to prevent materials from getting in our eyes. And finally, our eyes are exquisitely sensitive on the surface. Again, making sure that we're very careful with our eyes. So it's very understandable why you're fearful of having laser vision correction. I'm sure you've had something in your eyes at some point in your time and realized how much that hurts. Well, the great thing about modern science is that we have methods of making you very comfortable. Most people do not describe laser vision correction as LASIK as being painful. First off, we usually give you some medications to make you comfortable and relaxed. And then we apply drops to numb your cornea or freeze your cornea. During the surgical procedure, most people do not describe the procedure as painful. They will feel pressure and a little bit of mild discomfort at most. Following the surgery, there's a little light stinginess or a little gravelly feeling for the first day. Again, very normal. By day 1, the first 24 hours, most of your symptoms have resolved. And there might be a little gravelly sensation only for another day or two. So as you can see, LASIK is a very comfortable procedure, very safe, and quite honestly, not a big deal in terms of how it's going to impact your life in the short term, meaning there's no downtime, minimal pain, no need for starting narcotics. Most people do just great. I'm sure you'll enjoy your procedure, laser vision correction, here at Sarnia Lasik Clinic. Thank you for joining this week. Next week, we're going to review a few features that distinguish our clinic with other clinics in the area.